Good morning, viewers. My name is Shitu Rahman Ayodele, the CEO Oyindowo Business Ventures (OBV). So we keep bees and we train people on how to keep bee. We sell pure, natural, unadulterated honey. We sell beekeeping materials ranging from bee suit, bee smoker, beehives, rubber boots, pair of gloves, and lots more. But the message I have for you this morning is about our twin products, Oyindowo multipurpose ointment, and you can see Oyindowo multipurpose ointment. So in fact, our company is registered with CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission, and you can see through the screen that we have a logo. So that is our logo. OBV is written on it. Have it blue and white color. That is the logo. So this is only the whole multipurpose ointment. That is the first product, and this is the second product. Oyindowo Eyecleanser. Oyindowo Eyecleanser. Our logo is also there. You can see it's boldly. Now, let me first of all talk about Oyindowo multipurpose ointment. As the name implies, it can be used to cure, and let me say it this way: it has healing effects on many health issues. When we talk of joint pain, whole body pain, insomnia, that is sleeplessness. If somebody finds it difficult to sleep, either at night or during the day, you have the opportunity to sleep during the day, but you don't have that chance, so you are unable to sleep, but the opportunity is there for you, but you are unable to sleep. That is insomnia. So athlete's foot, cough, ulcer, premature ejaculation, female vagina infection, and lots more. It has a lot of functions. So this multipurpose ointment is very, very useful. Now let me discuss how to use this multipurpose ointment for athlete's foot. If somebody is having an athlete's foot, make sure you clean the athlete's foot with water and soap. Clean it well so that all forms of dirt is removed from the surface of the athlete's foot. Then after that, after you might have cleaned the athlete's foot, you mob it, you dry it with cloth, very clean cloth. Then you apply it. It is preferably applied at night, because when you sleep at night, you are not going anywhere, you will be on your bed. So, and the application of the ointment will have a long-term healing effects before you will wake up for tahajjud, if you want to pray midnight prayer, or if you want to wake up to go and urinate, to pass urine. So it will have long-term effect, unlike during the day. You apply it after you might have cleaned the surface of the athlete's foot and you have mobbed it. You apply it. It will have that healing effect. Then in the morning, after you might have taken your bath, then you clean it again, the surface of the athlete's foot, with soap and water. Then you mob it, you dry it, you apply the ointment, the multipurpose ointment, on the athlete's foot. Then you have to know this: during the course of the treatment, make sure you don't wear trainers, make sure you don't wear shoes and the likes. Instead, wear slippers or leave your feet like that. Don't wear socks, because if you wear those things, if you wear those materials, the heat will be too much, and that heat will not allow that atlas foot to heal up faster. It will not allow it to heat up, to heal up. So atlas foot, when you are treating it, it needs ventilation. So it needs regular air supply, so that as you apply the ointment, fresh air will be flowing into the surface and the healing effect will be faster. So that is that for atlas foot. So if you use it like that, within 1 week, by God's grace, the atlas foot will be no more. But after that, don't relent effort. Continue using it as if it is still there, as if it is still fresh there. Continue using it. I have a case personally sometimes ago. I nursed that nail infection. I nursed it for almost 8 years, if not more than that. So it was very serious, and I always had an excruciating pain on my nail. So I started applying Oyindowo multipurpose ointments on it, but what I noticed is that whenever I feel relief, I will just stop it. I will not continue. I will just discontinue. But after some while, after some period of time, it will still resurface. I was just wondering what is the real cause of this. But later on, I started using it again, and when the pain was no more, I continued using it for like 2 to 3 months. I used it continuously, even without feeling the pain. I continued to use it. So after the 2 month period of consistent usage, the nail fungal infection went out completely. It was completely crushed. So, and I do not experience it any longer. So I'm advising you, if you are using it for atlas foot or nail fungal infection, make sure you still continue to use it after the pain might have gone. Also, if you want to use it for ulcer, make sure you lick it first thing. Eat the ointment first thing in the morning before you eat anything. Eat a spoon of the ointment, put it in your mouth, eat it, ingest it, then drink lukewarm water. Then apply the ointment at this part of the body where the ulcer pain is normally felt. Apply it here. If the ulcer pain is radiating to the backbone, make sure you apply it there as well. Before you, by God's grace, if you use it consistently like that for 1 month, the ulcer will go completely by God's grace. So that is that for ulcer. If you are having cough, the usage for cough is similar to that of ulcer. Just start eating the ointment. If the cough is very serious cough, those hard cough, dry cough, whereby whenever you cough it, you'll be experience kind of pain here. So make sure you start eating the ointment periodically. Don't limit it. It doesn't have side effects. It is natural. So just be eating it, be eating it. When you hit it, when you know the pain is still there, the cough is still there and it is painful, continue to use the ointment like that. When you hit it, drink lukewarm water after each usage. Make sure you do it like that. Then after when you notice the cough is getting softer, it's not hard as before, then you can make it 3 times a day: morning, afternoon, and night. So let me stop the usage for ointment like that for now. I've mentioned 3 usage, how to use it for 3 different ailments. I'll be talking about others inshallah later. Let me talk about this Oyindowo Eyecleanser. It's very important you have it at home. In fact, I have a patient, I have somebody that called me sometimes ago. I have many people that have used it, but I want to mention this person specifically. Somebody introduced the woman to me that she was having eye issue. She told me that she had glaucoma, but she told me that they wanted to operate it. I don't know. So, but she felt reluctant, that she prefers natural solution. She prefers natural solution. That's why I described one of the places where this product is sold in Lagos to the woman, and she went there. After some times, I called her back to ask for the new development. She told me on that day that she's no longer having any pain on her eyes, and that she can read now without any aid, that is without glasses. So then I want to add this eye cleanser. It is very, very important. Any eye issue, it is very important you use it for any eye issues. It is multi-purpose for eye issues, let me put it in that way. So for those Okada riders, there are some particles that normally enter whenever you are riding your motorcycle. So this Herbal eye cleanser is very useful for that. Whenever those particles enters, just put a drop or two inside your eyes, and the particle will come out. The particle will come out. Also, for those for the parents at home, our children, they at times they used to be fawning. So whenever they are eating, they mistakenly put pepper in their eye. So this eye cleanser, this Herbal eye cleanser, is very, very essential. Just put a drop or two. By God's grace, the pain of the pepper, the pepperish pain, will be immediately removed. It will be immediately gone. So try as much as possible to get our twin product. This product is gotten from plant extract, the plants that bees normally visit. I told you I am a beekeeper and I've studied a lot of plants. So this one, I know bees love to visit it, and it has medicinal effects on human. So that is why I use this plant. I use this plant to package this Herbal eye cleanser. If you want to call us, there is room for distributorship. So we need people to buy it in bulk and to resell it, and you have a lot of profit. So you can contact us through our WhatsApp number, and you can call us directly. So we have two WhatsApp numbers. Number one is 0706 628 3114. Second one is 0703 052 2447. Again, 0706 628 3114 or 0703 052 2447. Let me say it again: 0706 628 3114 and 0703 052 2447. You can like our page on Facebook, Oyindowo Business Ventures. Then we have another page, Honeybees Multipurpose Ointment. Then we have Facebook group, Value Added Bee Hive Product. In bracket, we have Oyindowo Multipurpose Ointment. You can join the Facebook group as well. Follow our page, Facebook page, the Instagram page, Oyindowo Business Ventures as well. Our Google account, Oyindowo Business Ventures. Then you can watch us on YouTube. So through Oyindowo Business Ventures. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.